Hey guys, I am so nervous to do this video. I don't know why I'm nervous because I'm also excited, but yeah, I'm really nervous. Hi guys, welcome back. And for those of you that are new here, I'm Diana, and in today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of the new HAUS Laboratories makeup. I almost like scrambled my words there because I wanted to say Lady Gaga because this is her new makeup line. I also want to do a little try-on slash first impressions with the things that I got. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Alright you guys, so the package is right here. I did order my makeup from Amazon. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so here is the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and get it out of the plastic. As you guys can see, it does say HAUS Laboratories at the bottom, and then this is what the back looks like. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what the products are like. Ooh. I'm trying to like keep this in the frame so you guys can see. All right. So here are the products. This is what the inside of the bag looks like, if you were wondering. So the first item is this all over liquid shimmer powder, which she calls Glamatax. And the one I got is in the shade Legend, which I'm pretty sure is a gold shade. Ooh, this packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like. This feels really nice. It feels pretty like high end. All right. So I'm gonna open it up. There we go. Ooh, very shimmery. So let me go ahead and do a little swatch for you guys. So, oh, that feels so nice. I just want to cover like my whole, the whole back of my hand with this. But that is very pretty, you guys. I'm looking at my mirror right here so I can see what it looks like too. But I really hope the camera is picking up how pretty this is. So I've never tried liquid eyeshadows before, so I'm kind of nervous to put this on my lids, but I do want to try it out and maybe try and do a look with this today. We'll see. I don't know. Like I said, I'm really nervous about that. But all right, so moving on to the next thing. I got, what is this? The lip gloss in the shade Scream. So we're going to go ahead and open this one up. Oop. All right, same thing. The packaging is so sleek. Oh, ooh. I don't know if you guys saw that, but like a lot of gloss came with it, and I got a little bit right there on the packaging. I guess I was too crazy with it. I'm too excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is gonna be perfect for fall. I can't wait to see what this like actually looks like on the lips. All right, so oh, these look so pretty together. And you guys, the reason I chose this bundle is because at first it gave me Christmas vibes. So I was like, oh, this will be pretty for the holidays. I can use it like for Christmas and whatnot, but this is actually giving me fall vibes, which is perfect. I don't know exactly when fall starts, but to me, fall started in September. I'm sorry for those of you that hate people like me. For me, today, as I'm recording this, it is September 19th, so I'm pretty sure it's like really close to fall already. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next thing, which is the lip liner, and she calls it the Rip lip liner, like RIP. And the one I got is in the shade Slayer. Ooh, okay, so let's go ahead and get this one out. Oh, I I didn't expect that. The tip is that like diamond thing that these have going on, so I didn't really expect that from the lip liner. That's really cool. And ooh, okay, that looks pretty dark for a lip liner, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm just gonna swatch it right here. Ooh, that is so creamy. I did not expect that to be so creamy. Wow. That's so pretty. The bundle that I got is House of Rockstar, and this bundle retails for $49. She has different ones, and I believe now she is also selling items separately. And then she also has some new things such as an eyeliner, which I actually really want to try out. Like I said, I did order mine from Amazon. She also has all of her makeup on her own website, of course, so I will be leaving the link to her website down in the description box, as well as the link to her stuff on Amazon, but honestly, you can just go on your Amazon app and look up Haus Laboratories and it'll pop up for you. But all right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I will show you guys as I apply these products on my face. It will be like a speed through of me doing my makeup. So I'll go ahead and do that. Talk to you guys later once I'm done with the whole look. I'm really excited. I hope everything goes well, and let's do it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just took like hundreds of pictures, or at least it seems like I did, because I am in love with this look. You guys, this bundle, like I told you, is called House of Rockstar, so I wanted to feel like a rock star. Don't ask me what these things up here are, because I don't know. I tried to do X's, you know, to be like kind of cool and edgy, and of course I couldn't do straight lines. So I ended up having to like just put more lines on there. So they kind of look like little pom-poms, or like, I don't know. But I actually really like the way this turned out. I love playing with eyeliner, even if some things don't go as planned. But let me tell you guys about my first impressions. So the liquid eyeshadow, I feel like that was really easy to apply and then to blend. I did use a brush to blend it out, and it was very lightweight, and I didn't have any issues with it. It wasn't sticky or anything. Like I said, I had never tried liquid eyeshadows before, so I wasn't really sure what to expect, but everything went on pretty well. The lip liner worked just fine, just like any other lip liner would, or should, I guess I should say. It's very creamy and easy to apply. And then the lip gloss, you guys, I did apply the lip liner like all over my lips basically, but this lip gloss is also pretty good, and I feel like the pigment, like I showed you guys on my wrist, I already like took it off, well, back of my hand, not my wrist, but like I showed you guys, it is pretty pigmented, so it did help fill out my lips, because I was just like kind of being messy with the lip liner. Like I wasn't like trying to make it perfect. I was just like, yeah, whatever. I'll just put the lip gloss on top of it. And yeah, I think it looks fine. It looks pretty good. I did overline my lips quite a bit. I'm really sorry if that bothers any of you guys, but I don't think it looks too bad. And the lip gloss is not sticky. It's actually pretty comfortable. It's also very lightweight. It's not like, I don't know, like those very uncomfortable lip glosses that, I don't know, that that you just don't like. I don't know how else to describe it, but yeah, it's very comfortable. So yeah, I honestly have no complaints about anything. I actually really want to try some more of her stuff. I really want to try out her eyeliner, more shades of the eyeshadow, more of the lip gloss. The only thing that I probably won't be purchasing like a lot more of is the lip liner, but that's because I'm not like a huge lip liner person. I guess that's just my preference. But yeah, you guys, I feel like I'm rambling. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.